Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best starter motors you can get for your Briggs and Stratton engine, the 497,595. Whether you're a seasoned mower mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this product promises to make starting your mower a breeze. Let's get into why this starter motor stands out from the rest. First off, the Briggs and Stratton 497,595 starter motor is renowned for its reliability and performance. Designed to replace older models like the 5406H, 394,805, and 392,749, it ensures compatibility with a range of Briggs and Stratton engines. Its compact size, measuring at 4.25 by 4.5 by 5 inches, makes it easy to install, fitting snugly into most engine setups. Now, what makes this starter motor the go-to choice? Let's break down its key features. It operates at 12 volts with a wattage of 1.4 kilowatts, providing ample power to kickstart your engine reliably every time. The three-phase design ensures smooth and efficient operation, reducing wear and tear on both the motor and your engine. When it comes to longevity, the Briggs and Stratton 497,595 starter motor excels. Users have reported years of trouble-free operation, backed by Briggs and Stratton's reputation for quality. Whether you're mowing lawns professionally or just maintaining your own yard, this starter motor is built to handle the job with ease. Installing the 497,595 is straightforward, even for those new to mower maintenance. It comes with all necessary hardware and clear instructions. Customers appreciate how easy it is to swap out their old starter for this upgraded model, saving both time and money. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a durable, high-performance starter motor for your Briggs and Stratton engine, look no further than the 497,595. Its robust build, ease of installation, and excellent customer feedback make it a standout choice. That wraps up our review of the Briggs and Stratton 497,595 starter motor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy mowing!